Hi there everyone, my name is V and I hope to see you watching my YouTube videos. Here I have my bowl which I have foil in. I will be using bicarb soda and I will be using boiling hot water, as you can see. Next, I will be placing my bracelet inside the bowl with the foil in it. Now I will be placing an even amount of bicarb soda on top of my bracelet. Next, I will pour boiling hot water over the top. There we go. Look, there's bubbles. I love this method because at least then I know that my jewellery can be cleaned. You know, it might take a few seconds, it might take up to a minute. Now that the water has cooled down, you can see that the bubbling has dropped, so let's have a bit of a look, okay? Alright. Oh. Alright. And it looks very clean here. That's pretty cool, huh? The perfect way to clean sterling silver. Then give it a good rinse under the tap. And now I'm going to place it on the towel like so. And give it a pat dry. Like so.